What is project execution? A comprehensive guide. Project executions come after project initiation, scheduling, and project planning. But what is project execution? Project execution is the third phase in the project life cycle where the planning has been taken into action and the work is being carried out. The main work of the project starts in the execution phase. This is why organizations let project managers lay more focus and emphasis on the execution of the project, which is very important in project management. In short, the execution demands more time and attention, unlike the rest of the project phases. In a project, the execution phase deals with the challenges of centralizing communication, personnel, strategy, scope, sponsor, time, and others. So when the teams have clarity on getting the work done, they not only gain enough time before the deadlines but have an edge to accomplish even much more.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
What is the purpose of project execution? Project execution, or project implementation, is the phase in which the plan created at earlier stages of the project life cycle is placed into action. Any strategies and approaches made will be executed during this process to get the job done. Execution plays thirdly in the project life cycle of 4 stages, i.e., initiation, planning, execution, and closure. Project execution strategies. Number 1. Start with the finish in mind. Muster up and begin the project with the best intention in mind of how the project will result. To do so, think beforehand about the training, changes, and other requirements that might take place. The project manager must make certain that the project execution strategy must align with the overall company strategy. Number 2. Discuss with your team members. Nothing beats best against the project odds if you have a practice of clear communication and feedbacks with your project team. It may include meetings with the team members, project stakeholders, and members involved in the project. Ensure that your team members are on one mind with the process. Number 3. Develop a high-performing team. Collaborate and keep high-performing project members that align with your mission, vision, and goals. Number 4. Celebrate victories. It's always important to appreciate and celebrate the mini success of your project. It is a formula to boost team morale, motivation, attitude, and productivity. The power of positivity builds bridges to project completion and success. Number 5. Track progress. For project completion, keep a watch to constant track of how your project is heading and progressing. It enables tackling potent problems quickly and maintaining performance through accountability. How to implement the project execution plan? First, put up a brief meeting to strategize and define the project before commencing the work. Take feedback and review it. Distribute and assign the work. Give a clear idea of who will be performing which tasks. Analyze the planning to find out the risk that might occur. Have a consistent track of your work and track key performance indicators, KPIs. Maintain reviewing the work process and steps of your team members. This will ensure that everybody is on the same page. Be flexible with the changes. Have clear communication with teams and stakeholders. Set up with changes successfully. Advantages of project execution plan. The advantages of good project execution are: develop action to achieve the set goals. Boosts time and budget. Identify issues and resolve. Maintains team morale. Good results for stakeholders. Think ahead and pre-plan for future opportunities.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.